Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of RegulaRoot Pro supplement. So it is basically a natural supplement from Natural Lab, and it is comprised of 60 capsules per bottle. This supplement is actually getting very much popular because it is being promoted from all over the social media websites including Instagram, Facebook and many others. As you can see, this supplement help you with your digestion system, and it will help you in regaining confidence through the digestive balance, and more than digestion, support for your confidence and well-being. So RegulaRoot Pro is, according to their definition, a natural wellness supplement formulated with carefully selected botanical ingredients to support your daily digestive balance and intestinal health. But now let's find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. So once I tried to search for the list of ingredients they have enlisted, I didn't know what kind of ingredients were included. So they claim that these ingredients are actually included, but once I tried to search for any clinical approved medicine, I didn't came across any of the organization from which this supplement is being approved, like clinically approved. So this is a major red flag. And apart from this, they also claim that all the ingredients included in this product are natural, and the reviews they are showing is like 4.92 out of 5, and it is actually based on 38,200 reviews, which is a very much bold claim. But once I tried searching for its sales and its physical address, I never came across any of its physical address, and also I didn't come to know that if these products, ingredients and reviews are actually authentic or not. So this is also a major red flag. And as you can see, this product is also available on Walmart, and there are not any of the ratings yet, which means none of the person has purchased or reviewed this product yet. So this is a major red flag. And their reviews on the malware tips are really much negative, which raises concerns about their authenticity. So in conclusion, I would say you should avoid using those supplements because they are directly connected with your intake and can be harmful for your health. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make reviews of as much products as I can. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.